Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. And today we're going to be looking at truckersreport.com, and they currently have an opening on the weekend for a job advisor. These basically are seeking individuals to work as a weekend job advisor on their growing platform. Now the hourly rate is 17 to 25 per hour and averaging between 16 to 28 hours. Now, some of the responsibility would include work with our online network of Class A CDL truck drivers along with driver candidates, review and update driver profile within our job advisor platform, match drivers with available truck driving opportunities from our customer base, advise drivers on which opportunities best align with their qualification. Qualifications and skills would include excellent interpersonal and communication skills, ability to work in a fast-paced environment, strong computer skills, high level of professionalism, strong problem-solving abilities. Obviously must be able to work on the weekends. Below that, you will see where you can go to apply for this job. Here's the form. You can attach a resume and a cover letter. Again, I'm not sure if I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but this is within the US. It's not an international opportunity. Now I'm gonna leave the link below this video. You can go ahead and click on that. Once again, guys, I'd like to thank you for watching the video, and please, guys, I'm asking you to like and subscribe so I can continue providing you guys with more online opportunities. Working from home is a life changer. Alright, guys, peace, and I'm out.